All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. This is my first attempt at an 8K video. Now, this is actually the rear camera on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Now, the reason I was hesitant on even trying something like this is because, well, people don't have 8K TVs regularly, just rarely in their house. No one has an 8K monitor laying around, and there are no 8K screens on phones. There's not even 8K screens on tablets or computers or just anything like that. 4K is the highest we have on a phone, but right now, Samsung and several other OEMs are following suit. LG, the V60 shoots 8K. I feel some type of way about this because we know that it's just another selling pitch or a sales pitch for them to try to get you to buy something else like an 8K TV, like they said at the event. You can now record and watch it on your 8K TV. Yeah. Most people don't have the money for an 8K TV. Now they have gone down in price. I will say that you can get an 8K TV now for I think about $1,500 to $2,500 for on the lower side. That's still a lot of money for a TV though. Some people just don't have the money to spend $1,500 on an 8K TV, especially when there's no 8K content. There's no 4K content on TV yet, like just regular TV. It's like streaming services that are only ones that have 4K content. Now, 8K content, I don't know why this is a thing all of a sudden. YouTube supports 8K, like you can change the resolution to 8K. So for those of you who actually changed your resolution to 8K, let me know how much lag you have in your device or how long you had to let it sit to buffer even a minute of this video. I have 1 gigabit internet, and obviously I have no 8K devices laying around, so I try to play it at 8K, and it's just lag heaven. It's a lag fest. And if you change it to 4K or anything like that, you're going to get some obviously really smooth footage on there. Or if you put it all the way down to 1080p, it's going to probably go really fast for you. But I don't see the point in 8K recording yet. I'm sure that at one point or another, we'll catch up and have at least 4K screens on all these flagships. They're still sticking with 1440p, which is kind of a disappointment considering Sony has done several iterations of a 4K display and it looks absolutely fantastic. Why Samsung hasn't even attempted that is still a surprise to me. They need to just push out the Note 20 Plus, or the next Note device should have a 4K display. That is going to that's going to shut it down. At the next Note has a 4K display. That would be amazing. But playing 8K content, MKBHD, he shoots at 8K, and he scales it down obviously for YouTube, I believe. But there's other 8K videos online, but you can't watch them. You have to have an 8K device. So in testing, this is just a test. I wanted to test out 8K recording, and I'm gonna upload this directly to YouTube. There's not gonna be any edits or anything, so I took a few seconds to try to get the right position because there's a bit of a crop on the 8K. I'm sitting about an arm's length away from the camera, and I do have an external mic hooked up because I listened to the audio coming from the Galaxy S20 Plus in this room. I don't have my soundproofing up, and so there's a little bit of an echo, and it might still be somewhat of an echo, but I do have an external mic on now, so the audio should sound a lot better than what it did. Well, you didn't hear it before, but it was too much distance for me. So with that being said, this is a test of an 8K video, my first attempt at even trying an 8K video. Gonna upload this to YouTube, and hopefully it processes into 8K onto YouTube with just one upload directly, and we'll see how this works out. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed my first attempt at an 8K video. Let me know if you can actually get any of this watched in 8K. If you have an 8K TV, definitely shout it out below and let me know how good it looks. Because I don't have an 8K TV. I only have 4K TVs. And even on a 4K monitor, it's just lag city. It's just bad. So for those out there who are team 8K, and you have an 8K device to watch this on, please let me know in the comments, and let me know what you think about the quality that Samsung is putting in this, because I really want to test this against LG's 8K. Everybody's doing 8K now. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.